Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? Today I'm reading from Divine Soul Whispers, and this poem is called Wholeness. Calling back pieces of your soul, calling back yourself to yourself. We have lived a long life, traveled far and wide, lived in galaxies, universes, now far gone. We have lived far and wide, in glory and victory, in war and pleasure, in famine and plenty, in scarcity and bounty. We have lived. So have our soul fragments screaming to reunite. Come, all who are carrying heavy burdens, living life with missing pieces scattered over lifetimes. Come, all you who are weary, feeling the emptiness of this existence. Reunite at once, reunite in this time and space, reunite here and now. Let us call this home. Let us rejoice in the wholeness of our mind, body, soul, and spirit. We are home. We are here with all sovereign rights to be, to love, to create. We are here in bounty and enjoyment of all abundance from generations past and future. We are here and now, whole and complete. We are here in wholeness. Whew. Wholeness. This poem was inspired by that desire to feel whole. You know, as you heard in the poem, we've traveled far and wide, so there are so many soul fragments. Many of us, especially those who consider to be spiritually minded, we are very ungrounded. We not rooted. We like being in the mind and thinking of the higher spiritual things, and we forget to ground, because you need to ground, have a foundation in order to build and pull the spiritual and anchor it here. So the necessity to be whole is very needed right now. Be whole, be grounded, call this home, enjoy the experience of the earth experience. Let us not try to be quick to run away or graduate to heaven. Not necessary, at least not now. There's still plenty to do. That is a poem from Divine Soul Whispers. It's called Wholeness. It's Keroy again, your author, your poet, your reader, everyday reader. I hope you enjoy these poems, and I hope they inspire you and give you some courage day to day as you go through life. And hope your life is more blissful, fulfilled, and you reach for the stars. Why not? Talk to you soon.